Hi class, welcome to Science 101 course. This is Harmony Kim. I'm the professor who will teach you in this summer to 2020. Before you watch lecture video, let's go over the syllabus together. The course title and course description. This course explores the physical, mental, emotional, and social aspect of human development from conception through adulthood. Relevant medical and physical situations of the 21st century will be explored. Once you take this course, you can understand the basic concept and theory of human biology, discuss the chemistry of life, cell structure, gene, DNA, and metabolism. Comprehend Mendel's inheritance and human genetics. Wow, this is more like a basic biology course. In addition to that, this course has more topics such as understanding the main principles of functions of organs, musculoskeletal organ, digestive organ system, blood, respiratory, cardiovascular, urinary, and lymphatic system. So, it's bizarre. So we only have 10 weeks, so we are not sure how much we can cover up all these topics. In addition to that, you will learn how to examine the structure and function of a brain, senses, and endocrine system, nervous system, and endocrine system. Also explain human reproduction, genetics, and body physiology. For reproduction, you might study meiosis, cell division, and instruction will consist of lecture, but mainly this is an online platform, so you will watch online video, weekly base. I will upload online video, then you will watch, and once you watch, sometimes the homework was embedded in online video, or sometimes some 5 questions, such as a quiz, might be uploaded at the end of a slide. And this online video will be held based on PowerPoint slide. So you just watch online video and then you can read some text. Here are 2 kinds of text. One is Essentials of Human Anatomy and Physiology. So this book includes several kinds of organic system. The other textbook is free electronic textbook. So once you type this address on the browser, then you can access biology book for free. I think you need to register first. It's not difficult process. And then this book include some basic level of biology, fundamental concept of biology, and you can learn different aspects of science in terms of scientific method and then critical thinking of a way, how analysis of your observation, all those things. In addition to that, also this book includes several organ systems in relation to human health. So you can go buy either book. This is my email address. We can communicate by exchanging email. You will send quiz weekly base. I try to give 4 or 5 questions weekly base at the end of a lecture video or maybe in the middle of a lecture video. You have to give me the answer and send that your answer weekly base to my email address. That reflects your attendance weekly base. It is possible to reach me by email at any time. I check my message often and do my best to respond to your inquiry. If you have any question in addition to the assignment, please send me email with the subject title, additional question, or regarding such question. I have a question in the content of blah blah blah. Just in case if students keep asking the information which have been clearly addressed in the lecture video, I might not respond or delay replying. In the past semester, one student keep asking about whether I receive his quiz, whether I really grade his quiz. Please don't worry about that. I am doing that. Okay? And also, whatever you send to me, you hold in your folder. And from quiz, it does not give really big point difference. Just a quiz, a submitting quiz, is closely related to your attendance. So, if some students keep asking some trivial question, I'm not gonna respond to that question. Therefore, if you have any specific question, please put the subject title. Maybe you can put some short sentence so that I can put priority to those email and then open immediately, and I try to respond as quickly as possible. So course schedule can be modified, is still tentative. So please understand that. And attendance policy, you have freedom to miss 3 absence. So 3 weeks out of 10 weeks is pretty reasonable. So please think about your attendance. You need to take care of yourself in terms of not be caught by attendance policy. This information is more based on on-site class. Right now, we are participate in online platform, so you are more like watch lecture video weekly base and submit quiz weekly base to my email address, and you take exam twice. So based on your submission weekly quiz, that point 20% out of total your 100% will be worth of attendance. You will have 2 times of exam, midterm and final. Both will worth 40% out of your final grade. This is a tentative schedule. The first 5 weeks you will study chemistry of life, cell structure and function, cell division, Mendel's inheritance and genetics, and you will have midterm exam. It's a written exam, and then I will give maybe 20 or 33 questions. It's 100 point and maximum. After midterm, you will have some more like anatomy and physiologic aspect. So tissue, organ system, integumentary, skin system, muscular system, skeletal system, nervous system, cardiovascular system. I'm not sure how much I can cover up about some physiological, anatomical aspect of a human body. Once you take this course, probably you will get some knowledge which can be helpful for your biological metabolism of your body. The first week, I put the topic chemistry of life as your first lecture. This chemistry of life is more concentrated on chemical bond, such as ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, and also property of water, acid, and base relationship. But that is more like biochemical basic fundamental principles. So I might change the first class to macromolecule. So macromolecule means 4 kinds of macromolecule: carbohydrate, lipid, proteins, and DNA. So you will study these 4 types of macromolecule, and once you watch lecture video, the last slide shows what kind of homework you have to engage in. So you have to go to grocery store, and then you will choose your favorite item, and then probably you will find nutrition fact of your favorite item. Copy that nutrition fact, and then below that nutrition fact, you have to put your opinion, your comment of your favorite item in relation to carbohydrate, lipid, and protein. And I also upload the example of other students on the last slide. So you take that as a reference point, and then you make your own report and then submit to me next week. And probably second week, I'm going to give lecture video about cell structure and function. Some video takes about more than 2 hours, some video less than 2 hours, so it is variable. Also, what you have to do today is you have to submit this page to my email address, because the students must attend the first class of this course. So when you submit this page to my email address, that indicates you attend the first class of this course. Only this page. You don't have to include from the first page of syllabus. The first 3 pages of syllabus you just read as a reference point, but the last page you have to submit. In order to submit, you have to answer some 2 questions. Please circle the year of your program at IU West and briefly write down the reason to take this course, like the example below. So first, your program and IU West is you are freshman, or you already attended this school maybe 3rd semester, 4th semester. You just simply circle 1 out of 4 and also write down briefly why you are taking this course. For example, just taking this course as one of a GE program, or some students, I'm taking this course as a preliminary requirement for nursing program, or some students are taking this course to transfer for 4-year college. Whatever the reason you are taking this course, you just briefly write down. And then you read these above syllabus, and you will abide by them while you are taking this course. Your last name, first name, and signature, and then please submit only this page to my email address. This is all for the syllabus, and then if you have a question, you can send me email, and then I'm gonna close to review of a syllabus. From now on, you will watch the first lecture video. It's so nice to meet you, even though I cannot see your face. Welcome to this course again, and I hope you can enjoy this course, and then hope you receive acceptable final grade. Thank you. Bye now.